Part 4 Practice Sessions. Session 1 Everyday Use Sentences. Everyday Use Sentences. Namaskara to everyone. Sarvebhyah Namaskara. Namaskara. Hari Om. My name is Rama. Mama Nama. Mama Nama Ramaha. What is your name? Bhavataha Nama Kim. What is your name for female? Bhavatyaha Nama Kim. Yes, see. No. Nasti. Thanks. Dhanyavadaha. Welcome. Swagatam. Okay. Astu. Everyday use sentences. Good. Uttamam. Sorry. Kshamyatam. No issues. Chinta mastu. Congratulations. Abhinandanani. Yes. No. Na. Is it? Va.